Welcome to Study for Self. Today we will discuss about the MCQ for Indian polity. In this sequence, our first question is: which of the following commission was appointed by the central government on union-state relations in 1983? The answer is Sarkaria Commission. Sarkaria Commission was set up in 1983 by central government. Justice Ranjit Singh was its chairman. He was a retired judge of the Supreme Court of India. Next जो ऑप्शन गुड़ाक देछि दत्त कमिटी इज रिलेटेड टू इंडस्ट्रियल लाइसेंसिंग पॉलिसी इंक्वायरी कमिटी. इट मीन्स दत्त कमिटीटा इंडस्ट्रियल लाइसेंसिंग पॉलिसी को रिलेट करुछि. सेतलभाड़ कमिशन MC सेतलभाड़, मोतीलाल चिमनलाल सेतलभाड़. He is the former Attorney General of India and longest served Attorney General of India. Setalbhad chaired the first Law Commission of India. So Setalbhad Commission is related to Law Commission. Dutt Commission Industrial Policy. Sarkaria Commission Interstate Relation. Last one, Rajamannar Commission. It is related to Finance Commission and PV Rajamannar was its chairman. This is our first question. Next, moving to second question. Which of the following taxes are levied by the union government but collected and appropriated by the states? यार आंसर both A and B. Option D is our right option. Stamp duties and excise duties on medical and toilet materials both are levied by the union government but collected and appropriated by the states. Next question. Question number 3. Which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by the state government? Options are estate duty, sales tax, land revenue, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. All of the above taxes are imposed and collected by the state government. Estate duty, sales tax, land revenue, etc. Again, VAT, ET, entertainment tax, PT, professional tax, MVT, motor vehicle tax, etc. are imposed and collected by state government. Moving to next question, question number 4. Which of the following tax is levied and collected by the union government but the proceeds are distributed between the union and states? Given option मान मध्यरु क्यों टैक्स टी यूनियन गवर्नमेंट कलेक्ट करे और सेतु जहाँ मिले ताहाकू स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन रे बांटी दिए. ऑप्शंस आर सेल्स टैक्स, इनकम टैक्स, estate duty, land revenue. And the correct answer is income tax. Income tax is collected by 1961 इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस अनुजाई इनकम टैक्स कलेक्शन हुए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ड्यूटी इज लेविड एंड collected by the Union government? Which of the following duty is levied and collected by the Union government? Options are custom duty, excise duty, state duty, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Custom duty, excise duty and state duty, all the duty are levied and collected by the Union government. Next question, which of the article deals with the grant in aid by the Union government to the state? Options are Article 270, Article 280, Article 275, Article 265. The correct answer is Article 275, option C. 275 आर्टिकल टा डील करुछि ग्रांट इन एड बाय द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट टू द स्टेट्स। अच्छा, आर्टिकल 270 टा दिस इज टैक्सेस लेविड एंड कलेक्टेड बाय द यूनियन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन यूनियन एंड स्टेट्स, जोटा टिके क्वेश्चन आगु देखिले अंडर इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 that is collected by the union government and distributed between union and states, that is mentioned in article 270. 280 টা হচ্ছে ফাইনান্স কমিশন। ফাইনান্স কমিশন is formed to give recommendation on distribution of taxes revenues between union and states. Formation of Finance Commission is described in Article 280. Article 265 gives the explanation: no tax shall be levied or collected except by authority of law. Except authority of law केही भी टैक्स कलेक्शन करि पारिबिनी। इट इज मेंशन्ड इन आर्टिकल 265। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल डील्स विथ द इलेक्शन ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट? वाइस प्रेसिडेंट रो इलेक्शन ता जो आर्टिकल डील करे सेटा होची आर्टिकल 66। सो क्वेश्चन 7 रो ऑप्शन सी इज आवर राइट आंसर। 64 रे मेंशन अछि द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट टू बी एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स। मीन्स राज्यसभा रो एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हेबे बोली आर्टिकल 66 रे मेंशन अछि। आर्टिकल 68 रे मेंशन अछि टाइम ऑफ होल्डिंग इलेक्शन टू फिल द वैकेंसी इन द ऑफिस ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को ऑफिस को फुलफिल करिया पाई, वैकेंसी को फुलफिल करिया पाई इलेक्शन विषय रे लिखा है आर्टिकल 68 रे। आर्टिकल 62 रे लिखा है टाइम ऑफ होल्डिंग इलेक्शन टू फिल वैकेंसी इन द ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट। प्रेसिडेंट रो ऑफिस रो वैकेंसी ता फुलफिल करिया पाई इलेक्शन विषय लिखा है आर्टिकल 62 रे। दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who can remove the vice president from his office? वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को किए रिमूव କରିପାରିବ ବା କେଉଁଠି ରିମୁଭ୍ କରାଯାଇପାରିବ। ଅପସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଏ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ, ବି ପ୍ରାଇମ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର, ସି ପାର୍ଲିଆମେଣ୍ଟ, ଡି legislative assemblies or the states. The correct option is parliament. भाइस प्रेसिडेंट को राज्यसभा रिमूव करा जाय परिबा बिकॉज भाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज द एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The term of office of the vice president is as follows. Which one is correct? Option A 6 year, option B 4 year, option C 7 year, option D 5 year. The correct answer is option D 5 year. This is question number 9. Moving to last question of this quiz session, MCQ session. The vice president is the ex officio chairman of the DEX. Options are Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Planning Commission, National Development Council. आगर भी डिस्कस हो सारी भाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज द एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ द राज्यसभा. So option A is correct.